Hello students, welcome to computer class. As we have read the chapter editing text in LibreOffice Writer and also we have done the practical of this. So today we are going to do the back exercise of this chapter. So let us start. In the back exercise, first are filling the blanks. The dash is a blank area in the left margin of the document. The selection area is the blank area in the left margin of the document. The shortcut key combination to open a document is in LibreOffice Writer is clipboard. The shortcut key combination to open a document in LibreOffice Writer is Ctrl O. To print the document, click on File menu and in the File menu, Print option. Misspelled words can be seen with red wavy line beneath them. The thesaurus help to improve our vocabulary by providing list of synonyms or related terms. Next is true false. The shortcut key to close a document is Ctrl C. False. Next is the save command is used to save document for future use. True. To open an already saved writer document, click on New option in the File menu. False. Click on the Open option. You can select a sentence by holding down the Shift key and clicking anywhere in the sentence. False. When we click on the Shift key, we have to click on the last word of the document. To select a paragraph, double click anywhere in the paragraph. No. We have to 4 times click it. Then we can select the paragraph. It is false. Clipboard is a temporary storage area for information that you can copy or moved from one place and plan to use somewhere else. True. Control A. Control A will select the entire text. Shift Home. Shift Home will select text from the current position to the beginning of the line. Control X, Control V. Control X will cut the text, Control V will places to the new place. Control C, Control V. Control C will copies the text and Control V will paste from one place to another. Control Q will exit the LibreOffice Writer application. Answer in one word. If you want to save your work in LibreOffice Writer, which key combination will you use? Control S. Where are undo and redo button located in the standard toolbar? Which shortcut method is used to exit the LibreOffice Writer? Control Q. Answer the questions. List any 3 uses of word processing software. Word processing software help us to produce letters, reports, notices, newsletter, etc. in presentable manner. Modifies the text both while typing and after typing. Beautify the text using color, style, font, size, border, shading and various other effects. And also you can insert graphics and make use of many drawing tools to draw picture, copy and move the text from the one location to another. You can just line the one line from each line. For example, produce letters, report, notices, newsletter, etc. quickly. Modify the text both while typing and after typing. Insert graphics and make use of drawing tools to draw picture. So short sentences we will write in the answer. Next is, what do you understand by editing? How can you insert text in document? Answer is making changes in the text of the document, like adding, deleting, rearranging letters, words, sentences, and paragraph is called editing. How can you insert text? To insert text in the document, place the cursor to the right of the word or character and then start typing. The existing text which is present after the cursor will be shifted to the right. What is the use of thesaurus option in LibreOffice Writer? Thesaurus help to improve our vocabulary by providing a list of synonyms. Synonym means words with similar meaning or related terms for any word. Differentiate between moving and copying the text. Copying the text means duplicating it at the target location. Means copying the text from previous location and pasting the text on new location. Copying the text means duplicating it at the target location. Moving the text means removing it from original location and placing it at the target location. Application based question. Raman has made a project but does not know how to check the spelling and grammatical mistake in a document. What steps will you suggest him? Press F7 key. For F7 key we use for spelling and grammar check. Sonam has added unrequired paragraphs in her document. Teacher has asked her to delete them. How will you help her to do this action? Select the paragraph and press delete key. First she will select the whole paragraph and then she will press the delete key to delete the paragraphs. So this is all about the back exercise of this chapter. I hope you all have understood how to do the back exercise. After watching this video, do the back exercise in your book. Thank you. Have a nice day and keep learning.